Hello, and welcome back to another day of art. Our goal today is, I can explain what a pattern is and why it is important. This week we will be practicing the elements of patterns and how they relate to repetition and unity. Now those are all words we might not know yet, so let's figure out what they mean together. Let's start with repetition. It can be thought of as repeat or to do something again. Like I could have a repetition of 4 triangles. There is more than one triangle, and it is the same thing over and over again. A life example where you can see repetition is in gym class when Mr. B has you do warm-ups every day. You are repeating the action over and over again. Repetitions help us get a better idea of what is expected because we have done it before. Patterns take the idea of repeating, but it makes it into something that can change, but we still know what is going to happen next. Going back to our purple triangle example, we can add another shape in between each triangle, like a yellow square. So instead of a repeating purple triangle, we would have a pattern that goes purple triangle, yellow square, purple triangle, yellow square, purple triangle, yellow square, purple triangle. If we wanted to continue this pattern, we would need to know how the pattern is going. To do that, we look for the repeat. So the first thing that we had was a purple triangle. So when does it happen again? That's right, after the yellow square. So our pattern is a purple triangle, yellow square, and we can keep adding to it from there. This would be called an A-B pattern because there are only 2 options, the purple triangle or the yellow square. But I can hear you asking, Miss Danny, what if it isn't exactly that pattern? Well, let's try another. I have 7 circles. In order, they are blue, red, red, blue, red, red, blue. Is this the same pattern as our purple and yellow example? It does only have 2 options, either the blue or the red circle, but they're not always next to each other. Let's look for the repeat. Since blue is our first in the order, we look for blue again. The next blue comes up after 2 reds, so the order would be blue, red, red. So if I wanted to continue this pattern, I would see that the last color used was blue. So the next one would be red, then red again, followed by a blue. Color is a good way for us to get into patterns because we are only focusing on one part of the pattern. So what we will be doing today is we have a practice sheet where you can complete the pattern. So for this first one, the colors go purple, yellow, purple, yellow, purple, yellow. And I need to pick out the colors that go for the next 3 in the pattern. I can see that the pattern is purple and then yellow. The last color used was yellow, so I could add a purple dot, then a yellow dot, and then another purple dot. After this practice, there is another slide on this template where you can make your own color pattern. All it has to do is repeat at least once. That is all that I have for you today. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!